Liszt's Transcendental Études are among the most legendary works ever written for the piano. They are not just technical challenges, they are landscapes of sound, visions of human aspiration, reflections of struggle and triumph. To play them well is not merely to survive them, it is to be able to enjoy them by revealing their soul. The story of the Transcendental Études stretches across Liszt's entire early life. He first composed them as simple technical exercises at the age of 16. These were the 1826 Études on douze studies. Later, in 1837, he transformed them into wild, almost impossible monsters, the famous douze grandes études, virtuosic beyond belief. Finally, in 1852, Liszt revised them again into the form we know today. Still colossal, but more musical, more architectural, a synthesis of poetry and power. The early 1826 exercises were straightforward, useful, but not yet visionary. The 1837 version is nearly superhuman, sheets of sound, terrifying leaps, titanic chords. But the final 1852 Transcendental Études are where Liszt found true artistry. He kept the grandeur but infused each piece with character, storytelling and expressive depth. They're not just finger-breaking studies anymore, they're amazing tone poems for a solo piano. These studies are structured as a journey through different emotional worlds. Each one has a distinct character, a mood, a story or a picture. Here's the key to mastering them. 1. Approach each piece as a landscape or scene, not just a technical feat. Technique must serve expression, never dominate it. 2. Find the architecture. Each etude has an inner shape, tension, climax, release. Build it patiently, phrase by phrase, with the big line in mind, just as a sculptor shapes marble. 3. Control the sound at all times. Thunder, yes, but never noise. The secret is dynamic control, massive, round when needed, intimate when called for. 4. Use the right kind of virtuosity. Here it is not about speed or precision alone, it's about color, imagination, spirit. Play like a storyteller, not an acrobat. To truly master these pieces is not to show what you can do technically. Yes, this is part of the game, but much more than that, it's to show what music and spirit can become when imagination breaks free from limits. In the next months, I will make a video for each of the 12 studies of the 1852 version. As always in this series, it will be from a bird's eye perspective, short and to the point. Please subscribe, like and press the bell button to stay up to date. Thank you and have an awesome day.